On the 23rd of May, an Indigo air flight from India had made an emergency landing due to severe turbulence and hailstorm. The aircraft was severely damaged. There were over 220 people on board, and the air type of the airplane was an Airbus 321. But thanks God, nobody was killed. The aircraft was severely damaged, and they were able to make an emergency landing. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what I knew. I knew an Indigo air flight will face severe trouble, but since God the aircraft did not crash, the pilot was able to make an emergency landing. The aircraft was severely damaged. And I knew the plane looks like an Airbus 320. In fact, it's an Airbus 321. But it did not crash. It could have crashed. The plane did not crash. The pilot was good pilot. He made a very good emergency landing. So I knew it, and Indigo Air will face some sort of emergency. And I knew what type of airplane and things like that is due to bad weather. And it was due to turbulence and hailstorm. Thank you for watching, guys. I dreamed that in 2023. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it.